Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset, back with another video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button. We are on our journey, our good journey to get to 1,000 subscribers. So needless to say, yes, 1,000. So if you didn't know, I'm waiting on a of course you don't know, but I'm waiting on something for the truck. So if you didn't know and you're new to the channel, I own a RT Ram truck, the track truck, the two-door, the one that's like kind of like a Tonka truck, but it's like, you know, a two-door Tonka truck. And then I have this beauty right here. So we are going to be working on this beauty. If you haven't seen the last video of me doing the muffler delete, check that out. And then I have something special I've been going back and forth about, so it might be an impulse thing to do, but I still have all of my all of the stuff that goes to the muffler and whatnot. So this day we are going to be working on putting in some tow hooks. Yeah, some tow hooks. So needless to say, we're gonna be putting in some tow hooks. So these are the tow hooks. So, you know, gotta do the thumbnail. So these are the tow hooks. So I got my jack. So we're gonna try to put the tow hook right here, somewhere right here. So it might be an easy build. No, I'm gonna have to take this off. Not this. This is gonna stay. But looks like I'm gonna have to get under there and take this off. So let me go ahead and unbox some of this and work on this thing. And we're gonna work on it together. So I need to go get my my jack stands. My garage is all over the place. Luckily I had this little table. Like I said, I'm also working on my own brand, so I have some good old ink, some screen printing stuff. So just working nonstop. So I'm split between the job, being in the military, between being a father, between the car bill, between the brand. So it's not even a grind, it's more so of the mindset. See, serious mindset. So once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing some giveaways of the brand as well, to let you guys get a feel of the brand. And it's not just buy my stuff or here's my stuff. It's more so you are the brand, you are serious, you have the mindset. So let's go ahead and get all the material together, and then we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just opened up the package, and it's crazy just looking at the package, because, you know, of course, got the, hold on, get a good lighting. You know, you see the tow hook. So I got the tow hook. Now, what's funny about this package is, this is the tow hook. So this is a real operational tow hook. So the goal is to get this joker right inside there somehow, some way. So I will have to be doing some sort of drilling just to open it up, or cut just to open it up, just to put this thing in there. Now the crazy part is, the deal, it says 2015 to 2017. Now what's crazy is that the instructions, you see, it's typed, and then you got some picture CAD drawings. Now you got some picture CAD drawings. I mean, I know how to work on cars a little bit, but picture CAD drawings. So now I'm just like, is it even worth doing this mod now? But I like the look. You know, I've seen a couple of looks, so I like the look. So I'm not gonna run from it. But you know, I knew I was gonna have to do something. But golly, so let me put it down. Let's see what we got. so the bolt, and this is where we come through. So I'm thinking, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at this, because I know if anything I gotta drill holes into the frame. This is operational, so I want it to be on the right side. I don't want it to be on the center. I want it to be on the right side. So let me go ahead and figure it out, and then alright, so the first step that I do know is we gotta jack this thing up so we can get the take the real pan that's underneath, take that off. So we're gonna jack this thing up. So you got this area. Show y'all without trying to break my camera. Try to give y'all this good old footage. But they got this little area, yeah, right here, where you can actually put the teeth here to jack it up if you haven't jacked up your vehicle before. So y'all, I don't want to mess up this panel here. What I want to do is put that right underneath there. There you go. So you gotta make sure that thing is actually under there. Otherwise, you will, and I mean you will, mess up your panel. That panel will be messed up if you don't do it the right way. Put on your emergency brakes. Alright, so now you see I got this baby on that stand right there. I probably could go a little bit more higher, but we're gonna go for right there. Long as I can literally get underneath and get to this pan. And so I finally was able to pull this joker out. It looked like I might have to take off. I'm gonna try to avoid taking this part off, not the shipping guard, but it's another piece of the splitter that's down there. But if you're interested in trying to change your oil, you literally have to go through all of that just to get to this area, just to change your oil. That's how much the dealership is like, yeah, they're gonna come back, so what we want to try to do is put it right in this area here. I might have to, let me see, we're gonna try to make this happen. So I want to put it where you see my hand at. Hopefully you guys can see my hand. So I want to put it somewhere right here, if possible, which is, I think that's the guard piece. Let me yeah, that's where I want to put it. So I want to put it like right here. I don't want to go too far in right here, but I want to put it like right here. So the camera's a little crooked because I'm trying to do both at the same time. So excuse me for this, but just make sure you subscribe. My zoom in was all the way in, but I want to put it right here. Let's see how that look. Oh yeah, that's gonna look cold. And it is functional again. So this is where I got it from. All right, so truth be told, just looking at it, it looked like I kind of could have got away with taking off the front of the grill, the bottom grill, and probably could have tried getting the drill right there. But that would have been so tough, and it would have been so awkward. But needless to say, this is what's kind of convenient as of right now. So this is the part, like kind of like the seated part that's gonna sit like right here, and then I'm gonna drill in 1, 2. So I'm gonna mark for my poly holes. I might end up using that hole since I already had that one, so I don't burn up all my bits. But we're gonna use a pilot hole, then we're gonna step up, and then we're gonna slowly just go from there. So I need to gauge to see. where I need to at least open up this area too for this bad boy. Oh, look at that. That thing looks so nice. Got that thing. Like I said, it's gonna be functional because it's coming up on the frame. So I'm gonna be drilling on the frame. So I should have charged my battery up. I should have had a battery charged up for my drill. So matter of fact, let me go do that just in case, because I got a feeling I might end up fighting with this thing, because it's that look like some rough stuff. So let's go ahead and get that, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm trying to guide you guys into every step and detail of this. So I have my screwdriver, somewhat of a guide of where the gauge is going to go, where the actual where the main platform is going to go. So it lined up with that hole that I showed you guys earlier, and then all I have to do is just cut around into the grill a little bit just to make sure that it's clean. But it looks like this is the perfect place where it's going to go. So it's not going to be in the middle, it's just going to be a little bit off. I mean, I can move it over a little bit, but I kind of like it right here. So it's not centered, but it's a little bit off. So let me go ahead and mark it and drill it and get some good times going. So just stay tuned. Man, I don't know what I'm doing. This is crazy. So I got to a point, so I pulled out my electronic DeWalt. Like, these are the best ones. These are like what you break cement with and drill in right here. See how hard that is? But so I started to take off my shipping guard just to get underneath there, just to get more room, just to take this off. So this is what the spoiler, I mean, not the spoiler, but this is where the splitter sits on, right? But this is the dividing line of the splitter right here. But it seemed like what I had to take off was this, like 1, 2, just to get to open area to make sure I can drill through. So needless to say, I did all that work just to take this off for no reason. But it still kind of helped as well, because you can see with the shipping guard, it still stands in the way of me getting a clean drill, because I have to frame not through the bottom. But here, let me show you guys. So I have to drill from the bottom of the frame to when I say frame, the crash bar, right? The crash bar, let me correct my verbiage, the crash bar. So I had to drill from the bottom of the crash bar up into the top of the crash bar. So all right, so one thing about me is I don't like to give up. So I tried these bits, I tried to step it up in there. So at the end of the day, I failed trying to get the holes in there. So I even got one of the AUG bits. I even tried the AUG bits. That didn't work. All right, and it's safe to say that the thing actually defeated me. Like, I thought everything was legit. I took down everything from the pan to, you know, trying to take off the shipping guard. So I did everything, but needless to say, it just didn't work out. So that's how it looked without the shipping guard. Man, people crazy. That shipping guard is something nice, and then it actually has a part number on it too. So the funny thing is, this thing do have a part number on it. So where is it at? Right there. So we got a part number. So it's a genuine part number. So it's gonna genuinely stay there. But at the end of the day, I guess I'm gonna have to find a shop to put that in there for me. But I guess I'm gonna be looking at an install price for that. So, oh man, I'm so upset. Man, I thought I had it. At the end of the day, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We got more installs coming for the Widebody, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me go ahead and put this together, because, you know, just gotta put it together. So I feel bad. I tried to use the heat gun to heat the glue up. That didn't work. So I ended up kind of melting part of, you know, the bottom of the grill, you can see here. So I did a little backing up. Excuse me. I did a little bit of messing up. Excuse my French. So let me go ahead and put it together before it get too dark, and then go from there. Cause I don't really have no mechanic lights, no heavy high lights. So let me go ahead and get going. So at the end of the day, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I appreciate you guys for watching me struggle. I appreciate you guys for watching and for watching me struggle at the same time. So until the next mod, until the next ride, until the next whatever, at the end of the day, stay serious. Why so serious?
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious?